Okay, greetings one and all. Yes, greetings one and all, and welcome to which has to be day number 4. Yes, day number 4, week 14. Day number 4, week 14, spring 2025 of our journey together. Day number 4, week 14, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. We have a good lineup for today. My name is Mr. Petit. Today has to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, the 10th day, the 10th of April.
Excuse me, Petit, I could leave and join back. You're good.
Yeah, you can. The subject is, of course, mathematics. Shanair, how was your exam today? And all those who took the exam, how was it?
My exam was good, but I think I messed up on one thing.
Let me guess. The methods?
Yes.
Because I went to my teacher and I asked her if the use of sound effects and music is the same thing.
Uh-huh.
And she was like, they might take it as two separate and they might not.
Yeah. And how about, did you use a skit as one?
No, sir. I wasn't thinking.
Wasn't
I
thinking that?
used to use the rhetorical question, but she said I was wrong.
No, rhetorical questions could work. Rhetorical
When
questions.
she asked the class the question, right?
Yeah, rhetorical questions could work.
Oh, okay. Well, I used
Yeah.
that. I use use of definition.
Uh-huh.
And I use of sound effect and use of music.
Yes. Yeah, I agree with all of them. I agree.
Okay.
I agree.
So, other than that, I passed.
Other
I
than
guess for sure.
okay, just wasn't sure with those ones. Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
good. That's good.
I had art today, so it was light.
All right. Okay.
But did you see I change it?
I don't be watching every move, Antoine. All right.
I changed it. I changed it to a flower, right?
Antoine, do you want to be seen? Are you saying these things to be seen?
Let's Petit, the challenge.
Right. Okay.
What does that okay means, Antoine? That means
That
what does
okay
that mean?
means catch me on Sunday.
I'm in
I
Dubai.
think the main thing is do no more.
I'm in Dubai. Hopefully my flight.
Didn't you say you come to Nassau on Sundays for Sunday classes?
You just get catch lying, Mr. Petit.
All right. We're in section 1. The topics we're going to be doing today would be Amar, you're supposed to be on my side. Symmetry. We're gonna be doing number theory.
Oh, that's what we in.
If that our side is better. Like
wow.
Mr. Petit all day.
Some symmetry, linear equations, number theory, and then we'll be doing modeling, modeling, algebraic. No, we don't. Let's not call that. Let's call that translating algebraic expressions. Okay, those will be some of the things we cover today. So symmetry, number theory, linear equations, and translating algebraic expressions. Amaya, I like how you take your notes down. I like how you write them. It's very neat. I mean, it's very nice.
Mr. Petit, I had to give up on that today. I write in my book today.
Why
but
you
like
give up on that? Wow.
Because like the app I was using, like it kind of want me pay, and I can't afford that. So I write in my book until I find a new app.
Until you find a new app. But
I'll find a new app over the weekend though.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like it. Y'all should see your work. It's like on a what's that? Is an iPad or something like that?
Yeah, so that's my iPad.
Yeah, I mean, you want to show off, right? I just asked the question, but
you asked the question if you answered, Mr. Petit, show off.
All right, but she's on. If you had it written on an iPad, it's very nice, very neat, and I really like it. I was like, I didn't know that you write on those stuff, so it's really good. Even the diagrams is nice. So Pretty good. Shout out to everyone who sent in their notes neatly. That's always good. Charlitha, did you have your exam today? Charlitha,
Yes, I did.
how was it?
It was fine until I reached method.
The methods, right?
Yeah.
What'd you put for the methods?
I don't know if comedy was one.
Comedy humor is one, yeah.
Yeah. I can't remember what I put for
Okay. Some people put rhetorical questions, some people definitions, some people put music, skit. Did you put any one of them? No. But
something like that.
Something like that. But besides that,
But everything was good other than that.
everything was good other than that. Okay, so the methods. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's good. So it's pretty good. So like I said, we're gonna start off with some symmetry, then we're gonna go into number theory, linear equations, and then translating algebraic expressions. How you doing, Miss Harris, Miss Javette Harris? How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm doing great. Shout out to you. You're very consistent, I must say. Keep it up. I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you, I will.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on from this. I want us to draw this diagram. On
Excuse
this,
me, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
You could go to that other slide again, please.
The first one. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
They're too early for this. It's way too early.
Antoine, no complaining in my class, please.
Okay,
Draw.
thank you.
You got it? Take a screenshot of it and send it to me. I mean, take a screenshot of it if you don't have it written down. So
Yes,
the first
sir.
thing we're gonna do, we're gonna work hard to draw this diagram. Make sure I work hard now, because
Mr. Petit, I can tell you right now, I'm not Mr. Petit.
I swear, boy.
Mr. Petit, I just had a
all right.
Mr. Petit,
All those people who complain are gonna get timed out.
wait. Mr.
God.
Petit, I was just saying I had a symmetry
Knowledge,
test.
Mr. Petit.
All right, good. Okay, so we're gonna draw this. What
You
shape is
forget
this?
someone.
All right. So we have a 5-pointed. What is this? A 4-pointed star? 5-pointed star. I think it's how many points is this? 1, 2,
Mr. Petit, is this on the graph paper?
4. You don't have to use a graph paper. You don't have to. You don't have to. By the way, Genesis, that's the first time I saw you in person. The first time. Genesis did something very good for us. We're gonna watch it. She did a video on how to find how to calculate the answers for multiplication, and she did a very nice video.
Timetable.
Yeah, timetables.
okay, clock that.
Yeah, she did a very nice video, and so it was really nice. I'm gonna show it at the end of class so y'all could see. But we're drawing this 4-pointed star. Let me go ahead and show y'all how to draw it, because y'all might be like, Mr. Petit, how do you draw this? Let me show y'all. Yeah, I gotta go ahead and draw it again.
Don't do rotation like this grade too, Mr.
I'll
Petit.
every moment. Mr. Petit, I break my finger. I can't draw, so.
All right. No.
Using a ruler.
My finger dislocated too.
All right, so let me go ahead and
I cut my finger and yet I still write it.
Cleveland.
Mom, what?
Thank you, Cleveland. Thank you, Cleveland. Thank you, Cleveland. Thank you, Cleveland. Amen. All right, so I like Cleveland, man. Let's go. All right, so we have
Fake
You like
Cleveland,
bark
bro.
up.
Do not shout out my
Amen. All right. So let's draw this. So how do your star look? Does it look better than mine's? As good as mine's? As good as
drawn by a ruler.
As good as mine's, better than mine's, worse. How does it look? Y'all ain't answering me. How does your star look?
I like mine.
You like yours? Okay. How many persons are drawing their stars? Let me know if you're drawing the stars.
You're starting one too.
Right now, I'm so tired of drawing.
I didn't ask you that. I said if you're drawing the stars.
Right.
My pencil ain't got no ink, Mr. Petit.
All right. Deja, where's Deja? Deja, have you drawn your star? Let me know, please. I don't want to take too long on this, so let me know if you're drawing your star, Deja. Deja and Daniel Johnson, have you drawn your star? Danielle. Danielle. Tavano Sutherland, have you drawn your star? Let me know, please. Tavano. Tavano Sutherland, where's Tavano? Tavano, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Tavano. Y Smith, where's Y Smith?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn the stars there?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we need to figure out how many lines of symmetry does this star have? How many do y'all think it has? How many lines of symmetry do you think this star have? Anyone can answer. How many lines of symmetry do you think this star? I think it has 4. Anyone else? How many lines of symmetry do you think this star has?
4.
4. Y'all want to go 4 straight up? Shania, how many?
Couple. 4.
Think 4.
4.
4. D'Angelo. Dior Smith. Where's Dior Smith? Dior Smith. Can you hear me? Where's Dior?
Yes, sir.
How many lines of symmetry do you think the shape of?
7.
7. Okay. When I say line of symmetry, do you know what I mean by line of symmetry? Dior.
Not really, because
Not
I
really.
forget lines
really.
of symmetry.
Not
Is
really.
it 8?
8? That's great, Miss Morris. It's good to stand out and be different. All right, so anyone else? Miss Morris says 8. Some people say 4. Which y'all think it is? All right, so the first line of symmetry that I'm gonna draw before y'all start copying me is this line of symmetry. That's the only one I see. Do y'all see any other ones? It's the only one I see.
There's one going across.
Horizontally.
One going
The one on horizontal.
diagonal.
If you turn your laptop screen
Oh.
sideways, you see another one.
There's
Whoever
one.
said juice. Wow.
There's one like that. I mean
No.
horizontally like that, right?
Me.
No, in the other middle.
No. Okay, so you mean
In the
like
second,
you mean
the
like
third middle.
you mean right now?
Yes, that.
Okay.
So
But
With
these are the
no
only
stitch,
these are the
red
only
cross sign.
these are the
No,
only
no.
two I these are the only two I see. I ain't see no
no,
other
so
one.
there's
One
like
diagonal.
Oh, diagonal. I got you. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Like sideways is and the other
Mr.
way.
Potato say
Yeah.
I know exactly what you're talking about, then do it wrong.
I'm not gonna do it wrong. You have no faith on me. You have no faith in me. Diagonal. I'm doing that.
don't start wrong.
You don't even know
the
your
corner.
No.
The top right corner and the bottom left.
First, you gotta go in
Alright.
the corner and
All right. Okay, so diagonal. Let me prove myself. Let me prove myself. You mean like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir, Miss Betty. Yeah.
Like
My
Alright,
pencil
so
run
the
out of
same
ink.
next side.
All right, good.
Is it the-
Next.
Antoine, how your pencils run out of ink?
All right, next. What do we have? Do you have any more? I only see 3.
Yes, sir. It's the next other way
The
diagonal.
other diagonal line.
Very good. The other diagonal, which is this. How many more? Miss Morris said 8, so I have to get 8, so I only have 4 so far. Where's the other one?
Don't go by what I say. I only assume, man.
Anyone else? What other lines of symmetry do I have?
You have
Wow.
none.
Wow. How much you want to bet I could find another line of symmetry?
Miss Betty?
I could
25
find-
cents.
I could
I could
find.
I was just about to say a penny.
$1 million.
25
cents.
cents on the line.
5 cents right now. $1 million.
$1 million? JD said $1 million?
$1 million? Come
Yeah.
on,
Wow.
man. That's not like you need to slide that out my way.
All right. Let me find another line of symmetry. Another line of symmetry is going to be right there. Is this a line of symmetry?
Dino Cemetery
I
line.
think that's my money coming in.
Dino Cemetery
Hold on,
line.
where he put it? I see it.
Right there in
The
the
blue line.
The blue.
Dino
Is that a line of
Cemetery
symmetry?
line.
Oh, he put it in blue.
Miss Petit, don't even know your numbers, bro.
Cemetery.
Dino Cemetery line.
Well, technically.
First of all, what is a cemetery
Yeah,
line?
cemetery line.
All right.
Rather
Okay.
than non-existent.
is
All right. So this
similar.
is not a line of symmetry, right? Because, well, we can't have that there. So it's only 4. It's only 4. And you know, the points tell you how many it is. Okay. So Dior Smith, do you understand how we got the line of symmetry now? I mean, if y'all understand Dior. I mean, if you understand.
Yeah.
Understand? So a line of symmetry is going to be a line that cuts the image into two identical pieces, such that one side is exactly identical to the other side, such that when you fold the image on the line of symmetry, it should map on exactly to each other. That's what we mean by the line of symmetry. Okay. Does this make sense to y'all, or y'all do not understand this? Y'all understand this?
Yes,
I
please.
understand.
Okay, good. Good. That's what we mean by the line of symmetry. Okay. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to send in their work. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Tony Cooper, where's Tony? Tony Cooper, are you there?
sir.
Do you understand how we got the line of
Yes,
symmetry? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Good. And Tanaya, where's Tanaya? I need everyone to send me their notes, please. Send me their notes. Send me your notes, please.
yeah.
Tanaya, have you sent me your notes yet on this so far?
I'm sending now.
Okay.
So,
Yes, go ahead.
You would do another example, yes.
Okay, so basically, let me use another shape. He said he wanted another example. So if we were to use, let's say a diamond, right? So let's say we have a diamond. And we want the line of symmetry for the diamond. So how many line of symmetry would this have? Let's go ahead and draw it. It definitely would have one in the middle, right? One going in.
So that's like basically cutting it in half or something.
One second. Finish singing, Tanaya. Tanaya, finish singing. That's Tanaya. Tanaya, you gone quiet. And you was singing. So the line of symmetry cuts it what? In half, in the middle. Okay. That's one line of symmetry. And then we have another line of symmetry. It's gonna cut it. That's what we mean by line of symmetry, Antoine. Okay, gonna cut it in the middle. You understand? Class, does this have any more line of symmetry?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. We can't go diagonal with this.
No, sir.
No, we can't go diagonal because it wouldn't work. That's what we mean by line of symmetry. All
With
right.
this same star shape, right?
Uh-huh.
I mean, you have all those line of symmetries because basically you could rotate it, right?
Yeah, basically each one of these you could fold it on top of each other and it still would be like equal on each side. That makes sense? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
All right, I need everyone to send me their work though. Some people have not sent me their work. I need everyone to do that. Crimson, have you sent me your notes as yet? Where's Crimson? And Ajani, can you hear me? Where's
That's
Ajani?
all?
Crimson, have you sent me your notes as yet?
No, sir, not as yet.
I need you to send me your work. So far, I only have Genesis,
Yes, sir.
Lavender, Tiffany, and a few others. The rest of you need to send in your work, please. Okay, let's move on from this. We go into number theory. And the number theory, I wanna bring this down a bit because some of you can't see it if I put it so high. Okay, so these are the lines of symmetry. Okay, go ahead. Carmelo Fernando, read the question for me, please. 42, 43.
From the set of numbers above, write down the multiple of 7 that is also a perfect square.
You didn't read the numbers?
or 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Mm-hmm. So from the set of numbers above, write down the number that is a multiple of 7 and also a perfect square. Danielle Johnson, where's Danielle Johnson? Danielle Johnson. Where's Danielle Johnson? Daxia Smith. Daxia Smith, can you hear me? Daxia Smith. Can I from Daxia? And what's her name? Jada. Read the question for me, please.
The numbers too?
Mm-hmm.
The set is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. From the set of numbers above, write down the multiple of 7 that is also a perfect square.
Very good. Some of you have not sent me your notes from the first question. I need you all to send me the work, please. Jada, you're one of them. You haven't sent me your notes. What's happening?
I'll have to send you my notes and I'll have to log off for a few minutes because my mommy and I are going somewhere.
Okay. All right. But you have to send in your notes, Jada.
I'll send it as soon as we get there.
Okay. All right. What are the multiples of 7? Can someone tell me the multiples of 7? What are the multiples? What are the multiples of 7?
42, 45.
Thank you, Mr. Vitti.
The multiples of 7. The multiples of 7. What are the multiples of 7?
7, 14,
7,
21.
14, 21.
7, 14, 21, 28, 55, 42.
Very good. So the multiples of 7,
56.
basically, they are going to be the 7 time tables. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. Okay. What is a perfect square though? What is a perfect square?
A perfect
A
square.
number that when multiplied by 2 of the same number, like 7 times 7 equals 49, or 8 times 8 equals 64, 2 times 2 equals
Very good. So a perfect square, right? A perfect square is going to be, these are your perfect squares, right? So you have, let me go ahead and like show you what I mean. So basically 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. That's why 1 is a perfect square. Okay. Similarly, 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. 4, therefore, is a perfect square. Same thing. And we have 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is what? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. Same thing. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. Okay. 16 is a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. But what this question is asking us for, they want us to find a multiple of 7 that is also a perfect square. I don't know if y'all can see it. Would you say for your answer? It's gonna be
49.
49. Do we agree with them? Do you agree with them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's definitely 49 because 49 is a multiple of 7. Okay. 49 is a multiple of 7 and 49 is also a perfect square. So the answer is going to be 49.
Mr. Vitti, you could enable chat, please.
Oh, I don't have the chat in there, but that's correct. So 49 is a perfect square and 49 is also.
That's why it's typing a Q&A.
Oh yeah. I don't read that. Okay, good. You should be able to do it now. Shantasia, do you understand this? Let me know if you understand Shantasia. 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 Shantasia, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Shantasia. Ronald Roll, where's Ronald? Ronald Roll.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how we got 49?
Yes, sir.
How did we get 49?
You get the multiple of 7 and the perfect square, and 49 was in it both, so you use that.
Very good. So 49 is a perfect square, and 49 is also a multiple of 7. Very good. Ren, do you understand this? There's Ren. Ren, do you understand this? Where's Ren?
Oh, yes, sir.
Are you paying attention, Ren?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second, I'm talking to Ren. Ren, can you type inside the chat your mother's number, please?
Okay.
It's not okay, it's either yes or no, so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ren, you think you're in trouble? You're not in trouble.
No. No, I understand because I know the answer is 49, so.
Okay, you understand? Why you say
Yes, sir.
the answer is 49?
Because 7 times 7 is 49.
That's not the only reason. They ask you why. Explain.
Oh, because the perfect the square root of 49 is 7.
This could be long. Why is 49 the answer, Ren? It's very simple answer. 49 is a multiple of 7, and 49 is
7.
also a perfect square.
Perfect square.
So let's try this again. Ren,
Yes, sir.
how are you doing today?
I'm all right.
Great. Why is 49 the correct answer?
49 is a multiple of 7, and it's also a perfect square.
See how easy that is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't complicate it. Math is easy, don't make it hard.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so 49 is a multiple of 7 and also a perfect square. So you all finished with the slide? If so, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp, and we can move on from there. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. This is number theory, multiples, perfect squares, stuff like that. It's number theory for you. Okay, next. So the answer is 49. I'm gonna move on from this. Let me erase this. It's the same set of numbers. Laura, read the question for me, please. Laura. Laura Green.
Yes, sir.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why are you not answering to your name?
I was about to answer, but I couldn't find my mouse.
Go ahead, read the question for me, please.
From the set of numbers above, write down the prime numbers that is also a factor of 215.
Very good. Very good. Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani, are you there? Where's Ajani?
Yes, sir.
Ajani, you're not sending me the notes. You're not sending me the notes. Yesterday, you haven't sent me all of the notes. You're doing half work, Ajani. You can't be doing half work and your mommy is paying for these classes. It's just not fair. You understand me, Ajani?
Yes, sir.
It's not fair at all. So you have to be paying attention. What do you be doing in class, Ajani? What do you be doing?
Paying attention.
But you're not sending me the notes, Ajani? You have to send me the notes. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Read the question, please.
From the set of numbers above, write down the prime number that is also a factor of 215.
Good. From the set of numbers, write down A prime number that's also a factor of 215. Write down a prime number that's also a factor of 215. All right, so class, what are prime numbers? Anyone can answer. What are prime numbers? What are prime numbers?
Numbers that only have a factor
Numbers
of
that
one
can
in
go into
itself.
one in itself.
No, don't say that, Crimson. He'll say, what is Mr. Petit teaching y'all? You can't say numbers that can go into one in itself.
I get it. I get it right.
Say it again, Antoine?
Numbers with factors of one in itself.
No, that's not the full story.
A number that can be
Mr.
divided.
Say it again.
Mr. Petit.
A number that cannot be divided.
Say it again.
A number that cannot be divided.
No, Tavana. No.
Numbers with only factors of one in itself.
With only, very good. Numbers that only have two factors, one in itself. So give me some prime numbers that we have.
2,
3,
3,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 5,
Five.
7,
Uh-huh.
11,
Uh-huh.
13. No,
Yes.
yeah, 13.
13. Yeah, what else?
We have
17.
17, yes.
2 is a prime number, Mr. Petit.
2 is a prime number. 2 is the
19.
only even number that is prime.
No. And
not 20. 21.
And 1 times 1 is 2.
23.
1 times 1 is not 2. Jesus.
1 times 2 is 2.
All right. So let's go with the prime numbers. So prime numbers, that's our prime numbers. So prime numbers are gonna be the prime numbers. Let me erase this. Clear out joins. So prime numbers. So prime numbers. Prime numbers. Are numbers that only have two factors, one in itself. And so we are looking at 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. What else? Can't do 20, can't do 21, can't do 22, 23. And the list goes on, right? But we have to find a prime number from this list. Is 42 a prime number? Is 42 a prime number?
No, sir.
No. In fact, all even numbers are not prime except for 2. So 42 is not prime, 44 is not prime, 46 is not prime, 48 is not prime, and 50 is not prime. So automatically these are not prime because they're even numbers. All even numbers are not prime except for 2. Is 49 a prime number? Is 49 a prime number?
No, sir.
Why? Why? Why?
7 times 7 equals 49.
Yeah, because 7 squared is 49, so we can't use 49. Is 45 a prime number?
Yes, sir.
Is 45 a prime number?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Is 45 a prime number?
9 times 5 equals 45. Yeah, 9 times 5 is 45.
Yeah, so it's not a prime number.
So it's not prime.
Joel?
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
I said it's not a prime.
No, you said it's prime.
Are you so serious?
Joel, you're saying it's not prime all the while.
What is prime?
Yes, sir.
So 45 is not prime. So it's out of what? It's out of 43 and what? And
47.
47. Okay. Now, out of these ones, which one is a factor of 215?
43.
43. How do y'all know it's 43?
Because the answer's on the screen.
The answer is not on the screen.
Yes, the answer is not on the screen.
It was on the screen.
When? I didn't see that.
Because 40 times 5 is 215.
Say it again.
43 times 5 is 215.
Well, the best way for us to do this, we have to divide.
By 5.
We have to divide 215 by 43. And so, how many times does 43 go into 215? Let's go ahead and
4
do it.
times, 5 times.
How do you know that?
Because they just say it, Mr. Petit.
They could be wrong. 43 goes into 215. How many times? We have to check. Okay.
It goes in 5 times. I did the multiplication myself. Bayan, Mr. Petit.
Okay, we didn't ask you that. All right, so 3 times.
Well,
Boy,
Mr. Petit, this is very outrageous. This is outrageous.
All right, so 5 times 3 is going to be what? 15. Put the 5 down. Put the 1 up. 5 times 4 is what? 20 plus 1 is 21. Very peaceful class now. 43 times 5 is going to be what? 250. Yeah, 250.
Yeah.
215. Very good. So we have 215 minus 215. That's going to be what? 0. It's going to be 0.
0, 0.
It's going to be 0. And so that's going to be what? It's going to be
5.
It's going to be 5. Okay. So not only is 43 a prime number because it only has 2 factors, but it's also a factor of 215. Okay, because we just showed that when we divide 215 by 43, we get 5. Okay.
Mr. Petit,
Yes, Genesis.
you say prime number is defined as a number only divisible by 1 and itself?
That's a good definition. I prefer the definition that says a prime number is a number that only has a prime number is a number greater than 1. Sorry, a prime number, if you want the exact definition, a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. All right, that's the proper definition of a prime number. All right.
Hold on, I trying to write that down.
Oh, sorry. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that only has 2 factors, 1 in itself. All right, that's the definition. Okay. Carmelo, do you understand how we got this? Carmelo, do you understand? Where's Carmelo? Carmelo Fernando. Do you understand this? Not really? Okay. So what are prime numbers, Carmelo? That's what we have to first start off with. What are prime numbers?
Numbers that could only go into 1 in itself.
No, you're saying it wrong. Numbers that only have 2 factors, 1 in itself.
Okay.
Right? So we already discovered that 42 is not a, so we have to choose it from this list. So 42, 44, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the numbers that are not prime. So we discovered, right? We discovered, Carmelo, that, I don't know, every time I say your name, I'm tempted to say Carmelo Anthony. It's just, I don't know. But 42 is not prime. Why is 42 not prime, Carmelo?
Because you could divide it.
Yeah, because 2 could go under it. In fact, all even numbers are not prime. So what other numbers we could move from this list? Because remember, we need a prime number. So what
44.
We can move 44. What else?
46.
46. What else we can move?
50.
50. Very good. What else we can move?
48.
And 48. Very good, because they are not prime, right? They're even. We also could move 45 because 45 is not prime. Why is 45 not prime? What could go into 45?
2.
Say it again?
2.
No, 2, that's an odd number. 2 can't go into 45. But 5 could go into 45 because 5 times what? 5 times 9 is 45?
Yes.
That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
But so 49 is also not prime because what could go into 49? What could go into 49?
6.
No, 7, because 7 times 7 is 49.
7.
So that won't work. And so we have these ones. And then, so we only left with 43 and 47. They are the only 2 prime numbers, okay? But it says it must be a prime number that is also a what? A factor of
215.
Very good. So which of these numbers is a factor of 215? Well, we have to check. So we divide 215 by 43, and it gives us a whole number, right? So it doesn't have no remainder. So that means that 43 is divisible. So that means that 215 is divisible by 43, which means that it's a factor, right? So the answer would be 43. Does that make a little more sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, I need you to take a picture of your work, Carmelo. I don't see you doing that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right.
Okay.
Good. Where's Aiden Adderley? Aiden Adderley, are you there? Where's Aiden Adderley? Aiden Adderley? Where's Aiden? His mic is on mute. Aiden Adderley, can you?
Mr. Petite. Hello.
Yes.
That's 13 out the 11 down there.
Yes, that's 13, yeah.
I did not look. I know 13.
Yeah, that's my bad handwriting. Okay, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Where is Aiden Adderley?
Hello.
Good. What time is your mother coming? Because your laptop need to charge. What time?
I think by about 7 or 7:30.
By about
I
7.
think it can last about give it take about 30 minutes.
Give or take about 30 minutes. Okay. All right. All right. Moving right along. Let's move on from this. It's gonna be.
Mr. Petite, can I go put my laptop on charge for this?
Yes, we can. All right. So we're done with this. Done with all that saga. All right, class, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that. Only a few persons are doing that, and those persons who are not sending in their work, I am going to call you out and let you know that you're not sending in the work. That's not good. If you're here, you have to be sending your notes. You can't just be here not doing the work. That don't make no sense. All right, better you're not here than for you to be here and not doing the work. That don't make no sense. So make sure, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. All right, let's go ahead and do this question. We are now on linear equations, guys. We did symmetry, we did number theory, now we're on linear equations. Okay, so we have 2a plus 9 is equal to 32. Does anyone know how to do this? If you know how to do it, let me know. You know how to do this. Feel confident in this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Mark.
Mr. Petite, I'm confident.
You're confident.
You could explain what we're doing, please.
We on linear equations now. We just gone on this question, so you could start from here.
Awesome.
So yes, we have 2a plus 9 is equal to 32. Okay, 2a plus 9. Aiden, do you understand how to do this question or no?
You mean me or the other Aiden?
Sorry, Aiden Bean. Aiden Bean. Aiden Bean, are you there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how to do this question?
Yes, sir.
Aiden, I noticed that you haven't been sending in your notes.
I wasn't at class. Yes, my bad.
No, I don't mean to I mean in general. Do you have a different phone?
Usually send it from.
What's the number?
I can type it.
Type inside the chat. But have you been sending in notes? Because I didn't see them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to do this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what I want you to do, if you know how to do this question, put your hands inside the chat. If you know how to do it, put your hands inside the chat. That'll be good to see if y'all can get it before me. That'll be awesome. So what we have here is we have 2a plus 9 is equal to 32. And so we're going to put that right there. Class, what is the first thing that we're going to do? So we have 2a plus 9 is equal to 32.
Behind the 32 and change the operation.
Crimson, your mic is thingy. Your mic is, I could barely hear you. Sound very low.
Oh, sorry, that's because I was kind of talking low. Move the 9 behind the 32 and then change the.
Okay, you're taking too long. Class, what we gonna do? How are we gonna do this?
Send the 9 over to 32.
Say it again.
Send the 9 over
divided
to 32 and change the sign.
Say it again.
Send the 9 over to 32 and change the sign.
Very good. So we're gonna send the 9 over. The 9 goes over, right? Because we're trying to isolate the 2a. Okay. I need you all to put your answers inside the chat, please. If you get it, I'm saying different answers. I'm saying different answers. But send 9 over. Okay. So it's gonna be what? 2a is equal to 32 minus 9. Where's Crimson? Crimson, are you there?
I'm here.
You sure?
Sure.
Is everything okay?
I guess.
Okay. You want to try and explain again?
I'm done with explaining. You see I was taking too long.
Wow. All right. So we have 2a is equal to 32 minus 9. What is 32 minus 9? So I get when y'all subtract them. What is 32 minus 9?
I mean, real.
23.
23, very good, 23. So it's gonna be 32 minus 9, which is 23. What are we gonna do at this point? What are we gonna do at this point? Does anyone know? So first thing we do is we send the 9 over the equal sign.
You put
Get 32
the,
minus 9.
you
The
put the
23
2a over 2 and the 23 over 2.
Tony Cooper, I want to hear you explain it. I don't want to hear Leah.
Mr. Petit. Okay.
Go ahead, Tony Cooper.
I was saying that you do 23 divided by 2.
That's excellent answer, Tony. That's a very good answer. You are spot on.
That's what I said, Mr. Petit.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide both sides by. We're gonna divide both sides by what? By 2. By the way, which all final answers? Your final answer.
11.5.
11.5.
11.5. Very good, Tavana. Very good, Genesis. So we cancel out the 2 zeros.
Mr. Petit, I said that too, though.
Okay, proceeds to ignore. We cancel out the 2. We cancel the 2 2's. So we get that a is equal to 23 divided by 2. What I'm gonna do here, right? I am going to put the 2 on the outside. I'm going to put the 23 here. How many times does 2 go into 11? So how many times does 2 go into 2? Once. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is 0. We bring down the 3. How many times does 2 go into 3? Once. 2 times 1 is 2. Very good. Bring that down. 3 minus 2 is what? 1.
1.
Now here's the thing. Once we have that 1, we're gonna do what? We're gonna do?
Add a point.
Add a decimal point. The decimal point gives us the permission to add an imaginary what?
0.
Very good. Add imaginary 0. So we say, how many times does 2 go into 10? That goes what?
5 times.
Excellent. So 2 times 5 is?
10.
10. Good. And 10 minus 10 is?
0.
0. Very good. So the answer is going to be A is equal to? A is equal to?
It equals 11.5.
Very good. So A is 11.5. How many persons got 11.5? Let me hear y'all. 11.5 people.
I did.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. How many persons got that before me? Before me.
Me, I got it before
Me,
you.
and I sent you the picture to prove it.
Excellent. Excellent. Before me. All right. Does anyone do not understand how we got it? I want to speak to those who do not understand. If you do understand, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. If you do understand, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you do understand. Miss Morris, you understand this?
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Go ahead, Joel.
So, if we're doing something like this, first thing we do, if the 9 got an 8, will we change the 2 on the side of the 32?
The 9 had an A?
If the 9 had an 8,
If this
do we
9
change
was,
the 2?
if this was 9A?
Yes, sir. Will we put the 2 over there?
No, if it was 9A, we'd add 9A plus 2A because they would be like terms. You could add them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not hearing from Doxia Smith. Where's Doxia Smith? I'm not hearing from Doxia Smith. Neither am I hearing from Danielle Johnson or D'Angelo Smith. So are y'all here or not?
So,
Danielle Johnson, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Do you understand how I got 11.5?
No, sir.
No? Were you paying attention?
No, sir.
Danielle, you have to be paying attention, you understand? You have to be paying attention, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, so the first thing we're gonna do, our job is to solve for 8. So what do we do, Danielle? We take the what? 9 and send it what? Send it what? Over the equal sign, right? Danielle, I'm talking to you. Good. Well, it was a positive 9. When we send it over the equal sign, it becomes a what?
Negative.
Negative, very good. And so what we have here is we have 2A is equal to 23. Okay. And so we have, next what we do, we divide both sides by the coefficient of A, which is 2. Here we're gonna cancel the what? Danielle, we're gonna cancel the what?
2.
2, so we left with A is equal to 23 over 2. And what is 23 divided by 2, as we saw here? What is 23 divided by 2?
11.5.
11.5. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Class, does this make sense to you or not? Let me know if y'all understand this.
Yes, sir.
I have one question, Mr.
Yes,
D.
sir.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Yes,
I
sir.
have one question. Yeah, why we put 23 over 2?
Because we have to divide both sides by 2, by the coefficient of A. Right, so that's why we use 2
Okay, yes, sir, I understand.
in both cases. In both cases, okay? So that's linear equations. We have another linear equation. Hopefully y'all get this. This one. I don't know if y'all know how to do this one. This is a challenge one. I don't know.
I see fractions. I don't know the scene going on.
Come on, Antoine, how long you been in my class? For like 11 years? You know how to do fraction stuff yet?
Yes, Mr. D. You think
You
I
ne-
be repeating it?
You never miss a week.
11 years.
You never miss 1 week and you don't know how to do fractions. Wow.
But I never said I don't know how to do fractions.
Yes, you did just now. All right, class,
Okay.
can we help him? Do y'all know how to do this? Because he's been in my class from since day 1 and he don't know how to do this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Laura, you don't know how to do this either?
Petit, I ain't even know what you're doing on this screen.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Mr. Petit, can I guess?
And you don't understand either?
That's not true.
Alain don't understand either?
Alain been there from day 1. That's the difference.
Yeah,
Mr. Petit, I don't understand.
Amaya?
He don't understand.
Amaya did not. Anaya just come in March.
Well,
I think I know how to do this.
All right, go ahead, Chanel. Chanel. Wait, Tavana, we know you could educate us. I know.
Wait, so do you put 12
I
over
asked for
3?
Shania. Shania is going to explain it.
I didn't hear that, Mr. Petit.
You have to pay attention.
I really don't know. I
Oh,
think
great.
it was supposed to. I think it was supposed to like carry the B over and then bring over the 12.
Jesus. Exactly. Please don't tell them I taught y'all math.
I know how to do this question. I know how to do this question.
You put it over 3. You put 12 over 3. Then you divide. Then you
Mercy.
get John.
Tavana, can you help us, please? Please help. Help. Tavana, please don't disappoint. You never disappoint, so let's see.
I know how to do it, but I know
how to do it.
I said Tavana. I said Tavana. Go ahead, Tavana.
Okay, so 2 over 3 times B equals 12. So then you have to put the 2 over 3 by the 12. So then you have to do 20. No, you have to do, hold on.
Oh.
Mr. Petit, I think I get it. I get an answer.
Yeah, Mr.
Okay?
Petit. Yeah, Mr. Petit. I know you don't even know.
Wow.
Mr. Petit,
Genesis.
1-0.
Genesis.
I know how to do it.
No, Joel, you don't know how to do it. Genesis. I know someone who
Mr.
know
Petit,
how to
let
do
me
this.
redeem myself.
There has to be someone who know how to do this in this
Mr.
class.
Petit, stop muting.
I do.
Go ahead,
Please,
go ahead,
Mrs.
Empress.
At least
Go ahead,
explain it.
Empress. Go ahead, Empress. Wait, 1 second. Aiden, you don't know how to do this? Aiden Bain. Where's Aiden? Can I from Aiden? No, you don't. Caleb should know. Caleb, do you know how to do this? Caleb Conniff?
Not really.
Jesus. Wow.
Mr. Petit, you need to call on all of them top 5 people with
Yeah,
the chat.
I'm calling them. I'm calling the top 5. I'm calling my top 5.
I know true because I always in the top 5 and you don't call my name yet.
Antoine, be quiet because I'm ready to put you on timeout. You're lying. Carmelo.
So, please, not again.
Go ahead, Carmelo.
Would it be 12 take away 0.6?
Oh, it's just gonna be long. No.
Mr.
Let me
answer.
Let me.
Mr. Petit, please.
Are we supposed to like put 12 over 1 or something?
Wait. Charlita, continue. Continue.
Supposed to put 12 over the 1,
Uh-huh.
like switch sides. The
What do
2
you mean-
over 3.
What do you mean by switch sides? You mean what?
Like, all I'm thinking about right now is putting like the 12 over the 1. But I know where to put
You want
the
to
B,
do
like, I don't know.
you want to put B after.
I get the answer.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I get the answer.
Wait, I want Trayvon to try. I want to see what Trayvon is gonna say. Honestly, me already gonna say.
Are you supposed to multiply it or something?
Multiply? What type of multiplication you talking about?
I get the answer.
Like 2 over 3 multiplied by 12 over 1.
Ah, close. Where's
Close.
Trayvon? Where's Trayvon?
Which one?
You?
Put 12 over 1
Mm-hmm.
and carry the 2 over 3 over.
All right, don't worry about it.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
is it 12 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 2?
Go. Very good, Tony. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Very good. 3 over 2 is insane. Come to the head of the class.
Times 12. Don't forget.
All right. So basically, I look like I need to do more of these. I'm surprised y'all know how to do this. All right. So we can do multiple of these because I didn't know y'all didn't know how to do these.
Did I tell you I know how to do it? No, you.
All right. So it's gonna be. Do you see how there's 2 B's here? By the way, what your answer is, Shania? What your answer
I got
is?
18.
You got 18? Anyone else got any answers?
I got
did.
it.
What y'all got?
18.
Mr. Petit,
18? 18?
Mr. Petit, I got 2.
Jeez. You know what? Go to PI Bridge.
I get 18.
Go
PI
to
Bridge and what? Backflip off it?
No, I did not say that. I did not say that.
Mr. Petit, you're
I
so
did not.
mean.
I said go to PI Bridge and drink water. That's what I didn't say. I just say drink water.
Mr. Petit, you should cut that. You should cut that out of the recording.
PI Bridge if you jump in it too.
No, you just gotta carry a bottle of water and start sipping it. That's all.
Mr. Petit, you need to cut that out of the recording before you post it on YouTube.
I need to cut it out. I just tell her to go to PI Bridge and drink some water. All right.
I would like to remind Mr. Petit that when Antoine become prime minister, he can forget. He ain't gonna forget none of this.
I ain't gonna forget nothing.
He ain't gonna become no prime minister. All right. So what we're gonna do is,
oh my God,
we're gonna put 12 over 1, right? And we're gonna cross multiply. I can't believe I can't remember that's cross multiply, but we're gonna cross multiply. Okay. So, which means that we're gonna take the 1 multiplied by 2b, take the 3 multiplied by 12. Okay, so it's gonna be 2b. So 2b, 2b. So 2b multiplied by 1. So 2b. What is 2b multiplied by 1? I don't need to like show that. What is 2b multiplied by 1? That's just what?
2b.
2b. It's equal to, what is 3 multiplied by 12? So 3 multiplied by 12.
36.
That's gonna be what? 36. 36. Right? So we have 2b is equal to, what is 3 times 12? 3 times 12 is 36.
That's a 36.
Very good. After that, we're gonna divide both sides by? Divide both sides by? Divide both sides by 2. Very good.
2.
So we say 2b is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 2. So it's going to be 2.
Mr. Petit, what you mean divide both sides by 2b?
Because 2 is our coefficient of b. So since 2 is our coefficient of b, we divide both sides by 2. So we put both sides over 2. All right. So if this was 3, we would divide both sides by 3. If this was 4, we would divide both sides by 4. Okay. And so we go ahead and what? Cancel this with that. So b is going to be equal to what? 36 divided by 2. Okay. B is equal to 36 divided by 2. 1 second. B is equal to 36 divided by 2. So b is equal to what? What is 36 divided by 2? That's going to be what?
18.
18. Very good. 18. So b is 18. Okay. And that's
I get mine a totally different way, and it wasn't this long.
Okay. B is 18. Okay. Any questions on this, or do y'all need another example?
Yes, sir, Mr. Petit, I have a question.
I need another example.
I need another example. Okay. Go ahead. What's the name?
Yes, sir. I was saying.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah,
I
go ahead.
then why you use all these astronomical words like coefficient and y?
That's not an astronomical word, man. That's a very simple, ordinary word, math word. It's supposed to be a part of your mathematical vocabulary. Okay, so the answer is B is equal to 18. Where is Destiny Taylor? Where's Destiny Taylor? Destiny, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how we got this?
Kind of.
Kind of. Let's explain it again. What did we do to the 12? We put the 12 over what?
1.
For 1. Then we cross multiply, right? So we say 1 times 2b. What is 1 times 2b? That gives us what?
2b.
2b, and then we say 3 times 12. What is 3 times 12? That gives us what?
36.
36. So we have 2b is equal to 36. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 2. We divide both sides of this equation by 2. The 2's cancel out. So we left with b is equal to 36 over 2. What is 36 divided by 2? That gives us what?
18.
18. So b is what?
Equals 18.
B equals 18. Okay. That's how we got that. Let me give you another one because I was shocked that y'all didn't know how to do this. Shocked.
I did know how to do it. You just keep muting my mic.
All right, so
Yo, guys, I have a great idea. We should boycott Miss Petit.
yeah, that's a great idea.
I agree.
All right. All right, so let's do I want to use 2 over 3 again. And I want to use, yeah. So that's what we're going to say 2 over 3. Top 10 will be acknowledged in the chat. Top 10 will be acknowledged. So we have 2 over 3 b is equal to 32. 2 over 3b is equal to 32. Okay, you're going to answer this and put your answer in the chat for me. 2 over 3b is equal to 32. Answer this and put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Top 10 will be acknowledged. Again, top 10 will be acknowledged. Top 10 will be acknowledged. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Again, top 10 will be acknowledged. Just because you put your answer quickly doesn't mean your answer is correct. So make sure that you do it quickly, but also take your time to verify what you're doing. Okay?
Mr. Petit, I take offense to that.
You take offense to that? Okay. You ain't gotta worry. If you do it correctly, you don't have to worry. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Again, put your answer inside the chat. Again, put your answer inside the chat for me. Okay. Put your answer inside the chat.
I know my answer right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My answer right.
Okay.
You're distracting me.
Put your answer inside the chat.
I'm sorry.
Again, put your answer inside the chat. Charlita, you have to finish it. Charlita?
Which answer? Oh yeah, no, I see.
The finishing. Okay. Put your answer inside the chat, please. I need everyone to put their answer inside the chat. Put your answer inside the chat.
Which answer should I be typing for?
Put your answer inside the chat. Okay. All right.
2 out of 12.
Okay. Chat. I almost say chat. Class, what y'all got for this? What y'all answers?
I get
48.
was 48.
48.
Yeah, 48.
48.
48? 48.
Yes,
anyone else got 48? Anyone else got 48?
I did.
Okay. Anyone
I
got
know my answer was wrong.
Anyone got an answer different than 48? Hey, wait, Genesis. They could be wrong. They could be wrong. No, don't automatically think that they're right.
I get 80.
You got 80? Okay. 80.
I also about to delete my answer in the chat.
Power to the people.
All right. More power to you. It's good to be different. All right,
Not all the time.
So we have
Mr. Petit, my answer definitely wrong. I see what I do wrong.
Okay. Don't follow the crowd now. The crowd could be wrong.
Mr. Petit, I can sing my song.
No. So we have We have 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay. And by the way, we put the b connected with this. Okay. Put the b on top. It's going to be equal to 32 over what? 32 over what? 32 over
1.
1.
We're going to cross multiply. Boom.
So 3 times 32 is 96.
So we say 1 times 2b, which gives us what? 2b.
2b.
Okay, is equals to 3 times 32. So 3 times 32. So 3
times 32
by 32.
Yes, 96.
And so 2 is equals to 2b. Okay. 2b is equal to 3 times 32. So 3 times 32. 3 times 32, which is 96.
Then you put all of them over 2.
Good. Then we divide both sides by
2.
Divide both sides by 2. We say 2b is equal to. Why do we divide by 2? Why
because
do we divide by 2?
that's the number in front of b.
Say it again, Antoine. You're saying it the right way.
Because 2 is the cornstarch of b.
You were saying it right the first time.
Coefficient.
See me in to say that. Come on, Antoine. Say it right. Thank you.
Because 2 is the coefficient of b.
Very good. We cancel. So we get that b is equal to
48.
96 divided
by 2.
Divided by 2. Okay. So b is equal to. So we're gonna do here. I'm gonna say 2 into 96. How many times does 2 go into 96? I mean, sorry, how many times does 2 go into 9?
4 times. What could be equal to 8?
4 times,
8,
yeah.
8
4 times
minus
2.
9.
4 times 2 is what? 8.
So
9 minus
1.
8 is 1.
1.
Bring down the
6.
6.
8.
How many times does 2? Antoine, can you allow me to teach, please? That'll be very nice.
Yes, sir.
Let him get this one this one time.
Can I get a gold sticker, bro?
All right. So 2 goes into 16. How many times?
Is this a new one?
8 times. This is a new one. 2 times 8 is 16.
Yes,
and we
sir.
have 16 minus 16, which is?
0.
0. Okay. So this is going to be that b is equal to 48. Class, I got b is equal to 48. Did anyone else get that? B is equal to 48.
Yes, sir.
Did anyone else get
That's
that?
right.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, my answer right.
Did anyone else get 48? Let me know, please.
I did.
Very good.
I did.
Very good. Very good. All right. So we said top 3, right?
You said top 15.
Top 10.
You said top 10.
Top 10.
I said top 10 or top 3?
You said 10.
I said 10. Okay. Jada, I believe you. I trust you. So let's go with that. Top 10 would be Destiny Johnson. Very good. Nathan Ariska. Very good, Nathan.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good job.
Nathan Ariska. Shanair. Trayvon got 80, so he's wrong. Antoine. Very good.
I make top 5. What I tell you, man?
Don't do it, Dada. Don't do it.
Charlitha. Very good. Tavana. Alea. Cheveraris. Excellent. And Malaya Delavo. Very good. Very good, Malaya. Excellent. Should we do one more? Y'all think y'all understand this? Should we do one more? Or y'all think y'all got it?
One more, please.
Let's do one more.
One more? Okay.
Yes,
One
sir.
more. Top 10. Top 10. Top 10. Go ahead, Shabbat.
Is the number on top, as in 2, if the number on top is another number 2, when it comes to divide, do you have to divide all with the same number other than 4 or 5?
Okay, so he's saying if we change to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
If we change to 2, whatever
And to
number,
another.
let's say 4, right? So if
Yes,
you change to 2, you'd have to divide by, if you change it to 4, you have to divide by 4 in this case. Okay. Whatever you change this number to, that's what you divide by. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Makes sense? Good. All right, so okay, so I'll start. So all right, so
you see my profile picture, right?
I'm gonna put you on
please
on
Miss
break.
Please, Miss B, please.
So we
Mr.
have
T, you need to stop putting us in timeout. That's
For
crazy.
real. You
So
put
it's-
us on timeout for no reason.
I'm back on time.
Yeah.
I know you're like enjoying it though.
I don't know why I always just catch a layer first. I just never catch onto one. Okay, so this is gonna be 2/3. So gonna be the final one, 2/3. Top 10, top 10. 2/3b is equal to 36. Top 10 should be recognized in the chat. So make sure you are part of that. Top 10 shall be recognized in the chat. Make sure you are part of that.
See, that's exactly what I thought. I knew you couldn't stay on me for long.
Mr. T, you can't put us in timeout, man.
Real in 2025, you can't be doing.
Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Put your hands inside the chat for me. Put your hands inside the chat for me. Trayvon, your answer is wrong. Again, put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Top 10 shall be recognized. Again, put your hands inside the chat for me. I'm seeing some really good answers from you all. The best part about this is that y'all can't see each other's answers, but y'all are saying the same thing, so that's pretty good.
My answer's not wrong.
Get it this
All
time.
right.
I think I get it this time.
Mr. Petita, I only feel like I make top 10 because I was like actually like speeding. Like I was going fast.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm because I realized that he put the next question on the board.
All right, put your hands inside the chat for me, please. I need everyone to respond. Put your hands inside the chat for me.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, Maya Leah.
You want us to send these notes now or when we
Right
finish
after
with this question?
When I finish with the third one, yeah.
Okay.
It's not okay. It's either yes or no, sir. Put your
Yes,
hands inside the
sir.
chat, please. I need everyone to respond. Put your hands inside the chat for me. Okay. Okay. So, class, what did y'all get for y'all answer? What did y'all get?
54.
54.
54.
54. Anyone get any answer different than 54? Alay, I see you just put 54. Since everybody say 54.
That is incorrect. Highly incorrect. It just
All right, anyone else?
it just so happened that I put my
Mr. Petit, is mine right?
Is your answer right?
Mr. T, you can look in the top, please.
Okay, so
You think I
Miss
had
Morris? What did you get, Miss Morris?
I got 54.
Okay. All right.
No way.
I believe Miss Morris got hers the right way.
Yeah, because I did 3 times 36, and 3 times 36 give you 108. And when you divide that by 2, you get 54.
Excellent. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So we're gonna Put. So we're gonna put 2b. So it's gonna be 2b. 2b over 3 is equal to 36 over 1. Okay, 36 over 1. What are we gonna do? We're gonna cross multiply, right? We say 1 times 2b, which is what? 2b, which is equal to 3 times 36. So we multiply the 3 times 36. 3 multiplied by 36.
I still think I had that answer though.
You had 52. So we have 2b is equal to, what is 3 times 36?
108.
3 times 36 is 108. 108. Next, we divide both sides by 1 second, Antoine. We divide both sides by
2.
2. Very good. Why are we dividing by 2?
That's what the number is called.
The coefficient is 2.
The coefficient is 2b.
No, the coefficient is just 2. The number in front of it. So we have to divide by 2. Whatever number in front, we divide by that. So we divide both sides by 2. And we cancel. So this cancel with that. So we get that b
54
is equal to
54.
108. Okay. 108 divided by 2. Okay.
2.
So b is equal to
54.
54. All right. How many persons got 54? Let me know if you got 54, please. How many
I
persons
did.
got
It's in the
54?
chat too.
I get 54.
Excellent. Very good.
I like blue.
54. Who think they're part of the top 10? Who think they're part of the top 10?
Mr. Petit.
It's type slow.
I'm in the top 10.
You're in the top 10.
Could do me a favor, please?
All right. Who think they're part of the top 10?
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Rashad.
So question, right? What if you don't put, you see like I have the put b and then equal to 54. What if you don't put the b, just the answer 54?
You have to
We
put
get
b.
out.
You have to put b. You have to put b. Because b, you're telling me what the value of the variable is. Okay. So you have to put b is equal to it. Okay. Make sure I do that. Okay. So top 10. Laura, drum roll, please. Laura, drum roll, please. There's Laura. Laura slapping up.
Can't be slapping up on the road, Daddy.
I can do it.
Go ahead, Joel. Let me hear your drum roll.
I hope I mess up this time.
I hope so. No, I hope so too.
No, I could do it. Sorry, the laptop was freaking out.
Okay, good. Joel, that was nice. Go ahead, Laura. Oh my goodness, that's a perfect drum roll. How do you keep on doing that?
It's practice.
All right.
That's so fun.
All right, so top 10 is Destiny. Nathan got you this time. Where's Destiny?
Which Destiny, Mr. Petit?
You? Yeah, Nathan got you.
Yeah, sorry, I had to win this time.
Yeah.
All right, then I see you. Okay, then. Okay.
Yeah. So Nathan, Destiny, Shanair, then it is Nathan, Destiny, Shanair. They always the top 3. Ricardo, Tavana, Malaya, Jasmine, Xavier, Ronald Roll, and Charlitha. Very good. Very good.
That sound like 10 names,
Right.
Mr. Petit.
That is 10. Amaya, you were literally 11th. Like right there.
Mr. Petit, I tell you, I was moving fast. Like, I think they was using calculators.
No, man, they wasn't using calculators.
Mr. Petit, you
They
wanna
were
know
not
what?
using.
I wasn't in the top
What?
10.
No,
Last year.
no, I don't want to know. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me,
Again.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Which Malia you talking about?
What you mean? Oh, Malaya. Wait, say it again. Which Malaya? Say it again. Who asked that question?
Malia Delavo.
I'm talking about you. You're part of the top 10.
Thank you.
Part of the top 10. Very good. Excellent.
Why Mr. Petit always gotta?
All right, so.
You know what? I ain't doing no more top 10s.
Cleveland. Don't be a victim.
Don't give up on your dreams, buddy.
Exactly. Don't give up on your dreams. If you reach for the stars.
Unless you have a dream in Mr. Petit, then give up.
Well, thank you very much for the disencouragement, my guy.
Wow. That's the first time I've had in my life. Thank you for the disencouragement. Wow. That's a good one. Wow. I need to use that on my guests in Dubai. All right.
What friends in Dubai you get?
All right, so what I want to do, right? I want to change it. I don't want to keep on using 2/3. So this is going to be our last one, but I'm not going to use 2/3. I'm going to use something else.
You only can use 2/3.
No, I'm not. That's not the only thing in the world I could use. All right, so top 10 again. This is the final top 10 we can do for this question. Please make sure you're part of the top 10. Tavana, I need you in the top 3. Where's Tavana?
Yes, sir.
You should not be in the top 6 or something like that. I need you in the top 3. There's no way. Okay, so what I want us to do is, 3/4. Doesn't matter if I change the letter. Yeah, let's change the letter. 3/4A is equal to 12. 3/4A is equal to 12. You're gonna do this just like how I have the other ones done. Again, put your hands inside the chat for me.
If I don't get first, Mr. Petit, if I don't get first.
Okay. Put your hands inside the chat for me. Woo! It's getting harder now. It's getting harder now. It's getting real hard now. 3/4A is equal to 12. Top 10 shall be recognized in the chat. Put your answer for me.
Just to let you know, Miss Petit, I coming back on my first place.
Now, why you lying?
Hey, you. Don't do it.
All right, we'll
see.
Excuse
me, Mr. Petit.
That's my Leah.
I can't send my answer in the chat. I just want to send you it in private, but it ain't letting me.
No, the thing is, no one could see your answer, only me. No one could see.
Okay.
Yeah, no one could see your answer, only me. That's the good thing about this is that you all can't see each other's answer, but most of y'all are getting the same thing. So that's really incredible. It shows that y'all actually understand the concept. So that's pretty good. Put your hands inside the chat, please.
If I first, I could cry.
Again, put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Yes, waiter, can you bring the napkin for Antoine? Yes, he need it. He's in the Bahamas. You have to ship it to him in the Bahamas.
I know I come first, so I need that napkin.
He's in the Bahamas. You need to ship it. When I'm going to the Bahamas. I'm going back. By Sunday, I should be in the Bahamas. Okay. I'm not going back now. All right.
Miss Petit, you went in Dubai. I don't know who lied to you.
I don't know where you're from, Mr. Petit.
All right, but class, what is your answer for this? Class, what is your answer for this?
16.
16.
16.
16.
Oh, good. My answer right
15.2.
this time.
I mean,
Yes.
15.2.
Joel got 15.2, class. Is he correct? Joel got
No, it's
15.2.
No, I ain't correct.
Yes, sir.
I do something wrong.
He is. I agree.
I
I'm
do
Xavier.
something
wrong.
Xavier, reach for your dreams, right?
You know it.
Miss Petit, I am going to call this top 10. Call this top 10.
Alora, you got 12. It's good to be different.
It's a mistake. Sorry.
It's good to be different. No, it's good to be different.
It was a mistake. I didn't do it properly.
I see some people got 232. Someone got 230.
That was an accident. I was just trying to type fast.
You do not identify yourself. Oh, why all do this? Someone got 24. Very good. It's good to chase your dreams. It's good to it's good to be different in this
I really appreciated how you roasting me.
in this big Ricardo. It's good to be different in this big, like Alea say, in this big 2025.
5 times 5 is 3, dude.
Alea in the big 2025.
What's your big brother do?
Oh my. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer this. So we have 3 over, I'm gonna put 3a over 4. I really should transition to the black screen. The black screen is so much better.
Yes, sir, Mr. Petit. You should really do that.
It really is better. It feels smoother.
And do white screen for like the hard questions.
Yeah, that's true. It looks really nice. So we're gonna cross multiply. On a serious note, what did y'all get? What did y'all get?
I did the same thing what you do so fast.
I got 16.
16. Okay, 1 times 3 is what? 1 times 3a is 3a. It's gonna be 3a. It's equal to 4 times 12. 4 times 12.
48.
Okay. It's gonna be equal to 3a. Okay, so 3a is equal to, no, I'm gonna keep it yellow. So 3a is equal to, what is 4 times 12? That's what?
48.
48, very good. At this point, what do we do?
We divide 3 times 40, 3 into 48.
Divide each side by 3.
Very good, divide both sides by 3. So 3 and 3. And we do what after that? We're gonna what?
Cross off the 2 3s.
Cross off the 3s. This cancel with this. We get that a is equal to what? A is equal to 48 divided by what? Divided by 3. What is 48 divided by 3? It's gonna be what?
16.
So 3 into 48. 3 into 48.
I thought it was 2 divided by 48.
It can't be 2 because remember we're using 3 is our coefficient now. So we change it. Whatever the coefficient is, you use that. And so what we have now, too much yellow.
3 into 4 goes once.
That's right, Miss Morris. So I'm talking about. So 3 into 48. 3 goes into 4 how many times?
1.
3 times 1 is what? 3. 4 minus 3 is what?
1.
1. Bring down the
8.
8. How many times does 3 go into 18?
6.
6. 3 times 6 is
18.
18. Minus 18 8 minus 8 is 0.
0.
1 minus 1 is
0.
0. A is equal to
16.
16. All right, I got 16. How many persons got 16? Let me know if you got 16 for this one. A is equal to 16.
Yes, sir. I get first.
A is equal to 16. A is equal to 16.
I did.
Very good. Very good.
Also,
All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of this and send it to me.
Mr. Petit,
via
I
WhatsApp.
did it in my head.
You did it in
Like
your
I
head?
was like working it out in my head.
That's good.
Mr. D, you forget to do something.
Okay, so top 10 is going to be Alara. Take it away. Very good.
I know I'm not top 10.
Nathan.
I told you.
Nathan, come on, dog. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. This has to be a prank.
Nathan. Destiny. Nathan.
This has to be a prank.
Nathan. Destiny. Antoine.
Yes. At least I get top 3.
Antoine. Shanair. Ricardo. Ricardo. Tavana.
All I was using the calculator. I know all I was using
No,
the
they're
calculator.
not.
All I
Tavana.
was using the calculator.
No, they were not. Alea.
I have no calculator, so.
Alea. That's strange. Xavier.
Good job, Alea, because
Xavier.
And
Xavier.
so when you see this though, right? Exactly.
Xavier, Trayvon, and Shantasia. Shantasia, a new member of
Mr.
the.
Petit,
Yes.
what place did I come?
You're like in the 20.
Like I know I'm not in top 10, but like
the 23rd, something like that.
Like, what?
The 23rd, they're about.
22.
How I get 23rd?
Somewhere around there. Could be 30. All right, take a picture of your work and send to me
Mr.
via
Petit, let me
WhatsApp.
tell you what I do.
Again, take it. No, I don't want to hear it. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp.
Mr. Petit, I cry.
That's right. That's right. It's sometimes crying is good.
Mr. Petit, I have a message for Nathan and Destiny. Oh Lord.
All right, let's move on from this. I have one more question for us to do, and then we have to watch Genesis video. Genesis sent a nice video for us to. She recorded herself. I think we should watch it. She showed us how to do the multiplication thing. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so we did this. Pretty good. Okay, so last question, and then we should be out of here. Go ahead. By the way, I don't know if y'all could see this, so I'm going to bring it down a bit. Okay. Okay, so. All right, write down this question for me, please. Go ahead, Amaya, read the question, number 10. For the
carnival concert, the price of a student ticket is $P. The price of an adult ticket is $9 more than the price of a student ticket. Write down in terms of PA the price of an adult ticket.
Very good. Shavarian, read this question for me, please. Everyone should be writing this down, by the way. Go ahead, Shavarian.
For the carnival concert, the price of a student ticket is $P. The price of an adult ticket is $9 more than the price of a student ticket. Write down in terms of P the price of an adult ticket.
Very good, thank you. And Ajani, where's Ajani? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me?
Yes.
Johnny, you need to send in your notes. You haven't sent in your notes, Johnny.
Yes, sir.
So you need to send in your notes, okay?
Yes, I send them soon.
Charlita, read the question for me, please.
For the carnival concerts, the price of a student ticket is $P. The price of an adult ticket is $9, more than the price of a student ticket. Write down in terms of P, the price of an adult ticket.
Very good. Write down in terms of P, the price of an adult ticket. And Destiny, read number 10.
For the carnival concerts, the price of a student ticket is $P. The price of an adult ticket is $9 more than the price of a student ticket. Write down the terms of P. A, the price of an adult ticket.
Very good. Jaden, are you there? Where's Jaden? Jaden, are you there? Jaden, where's Jaden?
Wait, which one?
You. The other Jaden is not here.
That's fine. I mean, it's so sorry.
Go ahead, Jaden, read this question. Empress, read the question for me, please.
For the carnival concerts, the price of a student ticket is $P. The price of an adult ticket is $9 more than the price of a student ticket. Write down in terms of P. A, the price of an adult ticket.
Very good. Very good. All right, so class, how are we gonna get this? All right. I want to know the price of an adult ticket. We know that the price of the student ticket is what? The price of the student ticket is what? Class, what's the price of the student ticket?
$P.
Price of the student ticket is $P. Oh, this is white. Let me erase this. The price of the student ticket is $P. So this is $P. Okay. And the price of an adult ticket is 9 more. So the adult ticket is going to be what? 9 more than the price of a student ticket. So if the price of if the price of a student ticket is $P, class, what is going to be the price of a adult ticket?
16.
No.
9. P plus 9.
9 plus P.
Who said that?
16.
P plus 9. That's what I said.
P plus 9. You want to go with that? Anyone
Yeah.
else? We know the price of the student ticket is $P, right? Right?
9P.
Okay, so is it 9P? Right? Is it P plus 9? Or is it 9 plus P?
I feel like it's P plus 9.
Yes.
P plus 9.
I think it's P plus 9 for you.
Is it
It is
9P? P plus
P plus
9
9.
or 9P? Which y'all think it is?
P plus 9.
P plus 9?
P plus 9. P plus 9.
It's like, see, whatever the student ticket costs, you could add $9 to get the adult ticket. So that's why I say
Plus
P
9.
plus 9.
So it's not 9P.
It can't be 9P because it would be 9 times
16.
P if it was 9P. So
Okay.
that would be incorrect.
Okay, Joel is saying 16 as well. How did you get 16, Joel?
Because I assume that the tickets could be $9 because if it's $9 more, because why would it be $9 more? No. I take it right back. I see what I do wrong.
Okay. So clearly it's not 16. Is it 9p? Is it
No, sir.
9p? Why can't it be 9p?
No, sir.
9 plus P or P plus 9.
Why
9
can't it be
plus P.
9p? Why can't it be 9p?
Because if it was 9p, that would be 9 times P. So it would be P dollars, which is whatever the student ticket is, times the $9 more that the adult ticket is. So that would be incorrect.
Very good. So this is going to be, it's not 9p. So it's either P plus 9 or 9p. Which one is it? I mean, it's either P plus 9 or 9 plus P. Which one is it?
P plus 9.
P plus 9. P plus 9. It's both. Both of them could work. All right. P plus 9 and 9 plus P saying the same thing. So I'm going to use P plus 9, but you could also do 9 plus P. All right. So P plus 9. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the price of a adult ticket is going to be 9p. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. One of our students, Genesis Sweeting, she made a video on how to do your timetables on your fingers. And I want to show that to y'all because I think it's a neat way. And she took the time to do that. So I think it's worthwhile to look at it. So
Hi, Mr. Petit.
yes. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, and then we're gonna look at this video that she sent us. So let me make sure I have it in the queue. Make sure
I feel like a celebrity now.
Give it up for, I don't know the person's name. So
Genesis, her name is Genesis. Yeah.
Give it up for Genesis, guys. Woo!
Go.
Yeah.
Antoine, I don't want none of that. I think she did a very good job.
Yay, Genesis.
What I do?
None of that.
I just think for second you and Mr. Petit roughing you off, you know.
Excuse me, Mr.
Genesis, I ain't gonna do nothing. I say, oh yeah.
No.
Look at
All right.
what?
Okay.
Never mind. I apologize.
All right. Y'all can't hear it, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, let me play it from the beginning. So this will be the first time y'all actually see someone who was in the class face in person.
This is very exciting.
Yeah. So y'all can see how they look in person.
One more face a week.
Yeah, see how they face look. All right,
Mr.
so
Petit, I just realized how I really smiled watching that video, but I'm actually a very happy person, guys.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right, 1 second. We're going to watch her explain it.
She's pretty. Miss Petit, why you took it off?
Genesis is so pretty.
We are supposed to be watching her explain the video. Let's see how pretty she is. That's what we're watching, explain the video. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so this is for 6 times table and up. So this would be 6. These bottom ones would be 6. This would be 7. This would be 8. This would be 9. I guess this would be 10. So, for example, let's say you want to do 6 times 7. So the fingers that are touching and the fingers that are below, each one equals 10. So that would be 1, 2, 3. That's 30. And then the loose fingers at the top, you're going to multiply them together. So this is 3 on this hand, and this is 4. So 3 times 4, that's 12. So you would add that together with the bottom. So that's 30 plus 12. That gives you 42.
I don't know if y'all get that. Like, I don't know if y'all see what did. That's cool. Like she's saying.
I understand it.
Like this is 10. This is 10. And that's 10, right? So that's 30. And this is 3. And this is 4. So you multiply 3 times 4, which gives you what? Which gives you 12.
12.
Yeah. And then
Plus
you do
the
10 plus 30, yeah. And then that's gonna give us what? 42. And 42 is exactly what? 6 times 7. Wow, pretty cool.
That's actually right.
I never knew that you could do it with your fingers. I never knew you could do it with your fingers.
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray.
Mr. Petit, and it looked like everybody this way know that because my coworker knew it too.
Wow.
7 times 7, because this is 7.
Mr. Petit.
Okay, she's showing another way. Very good. Thank you for showing us. This is Genesis. Give it up for Genesis. Class.
Clap, clap, clap.
Excellent.
You did very good, guys.
All right, good stuff. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock. All right, so now we're gonna do social studies and religious studies. If you are doing that, please stay back. Social studies and religious studies, we have to move on to that. Let's go ahead and do this. Social and religious. All right, go ahead.
I like how you make it seem
Good
as
night.
though I was making fun of Genesis when I was actually applauding her.
All right, good. All right, let's move on from this.
So, Mr. Petit.
The
answer for this is just P plus 9?
The answer is just P plus 9. Yeah, that's the answer. Okay.
Why is that going right?
Say it again.
No, not you.
Say it again, Miss Harris.
No, I'm not sure. I was wondering why my is not leaving. No, I take a night.
Oh, okay, okay, good. All right. All right, so let's move on from this. Let's go on to social studies. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025. The subject is, of course, social studies. Social studies. And we're going to be looking at the loyalists. What did we say about the loyalists last week? I don't know if you remember we talking about them. Let me ask you some questions then. Was the farming by the loyalists successful? How would you describe it? Is it successful or unsuccessful? How would you describe
In the beginning, it was
Unsuccessful.
successful, but
It
it
began as a
ended up
success.
In the
being
beginning, the sponge was okay, but then
It
it got
began as a success. Okay, let me say it then.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Laura. Look like you wanna say something.
It began as a successful farming industry, and then later on in the farming industry, two pests came and they, and they came and they damaged the cottons, and then most of the farmers had to stop.
Yes,
So
very
that's
good.
how she stopped.
Very good. It was, I like how y'all said it was successful in the beginning, right? Miss Morris, I hear you say sponge. Miss Morris. You said sponge. I just put it in. Go ahead. All right. So the loyalists, we're gonna be talking about the loyalist contributions. All right, the loyalist contributions. What is the name of the two pests that basically damage, the stuff?
One was a worm. Worm and the red dye bug.
Chenal worm and the red dye
How come you
bug.
know so much about worms, Mr. Petit?
Come on, I was about to say that to Leah. You only give me a chance.
Mr. Petit, I have my book open. I'm really smart. Like,
All right. So, what did the worms do and what did the bug do?
The red bug discolored the cotton, and then the shingle bug
the chenal bug worm ate the crops.
Yes, it ate the crops. Very good. What are some names that that's associated with the loyalists? Some names, some last names.
Roll, Johnson, Curry,
Roll, Johnson, Curry, what else?
Forbes,
DeVoe,
Fox,
yes.
Kelly,
Forbes,
Lee,
Kelly,
Lee, Ferguson,
Adderley, very good. Y'all missing one. Y'all didn't say one.
I don't know. I really.
Petite is not one of them.
Petite, yes, petite. Don't go in your exam and put that now. You get it absolutely wrong. I am joking.
When I'm done.
Ferguson.
Okay, Ministry of Education, before y'all see this video and cancel my channel. All
I'll
right.
cancel your channel, Mr. Petite. Don't worry.
And I'll mute you.
Oh, my bad, Mr.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're gonna be looking at their contributions. So one of their, so the contributions of the loyalists. Okay. The first one would be population increase. Remember the Bahamas, no one was there. No one was coming there. No one cared about this place. So population increase is the big one. So with the arrival of the loyalists, because they not only came with their, they not only came by themselves, they came also with their what?
Families.
With their slaves, very good. So population increase is definitely a big one. So why did this do this? Okay, let me change the color. Okay. So with the arrival of the loyalists, many of the islands that were never inhabited had residents who resided permanently. And the population of the Bahamas tripled in a very short time. And for the first time, for the first time in forever, Blacks outnumbered the white population.
Here's Miss Petite.
3-1. Yes.
Here's the bathroom, please.
Every time you come here, you have to use the restroom. Can you use the restroom?
Mr. Petite, this is the first time I've asked tonight.
Every class you have to use the restroom. I don't believe you speak on the restroom.
I've asked at least once in
every class. That's the problem.
Mr. Petite, I drink a lot of water. You gotta apply me, okay?
No,
Please?
I don't believe you speak going to the bathroom.
Mr. Petite.
All right.
Mr. Petite, please.
I want to sneak off already.
So population increase is the first contribution. For the first time, since the loyalists, once the loyalists came for the first time, what happened? For the first time, what happened?
Many of the islands that were never inhabited had residents who resided permanently.
Yes,
And the population of the Bahamas tripled in a very short time, and for the first time, the Blacks outnumbered the white population.
Very good. All right. Okay, let's move on. The next contribution is on the farming. The cotton plantation, even though it lasted for a while, even though it didn't last for forever, but the cotton plantations were established on the islands. This was a profitable industry and increased the country's revenue. Okay. For a good time. So the farming boom is one of the things we could credit the loyalists for, and also for the population increase. Okay, because they came with their slaves. They not only them came, and for the first time, blacks outnumbered whites 3-1 in the Bahamas. Okay. The next thing we have is infrastructure. So infrastructural development. Sorry, I spelled this wrong. Development. Infrastructural development. So new roads were built. In the islands because of the cotton plantations. The loyalists also established the shipbuilding industry at Manawa, Manawaki, Abaco. And then the first, so we could say the first newspaper. The first newspaper. What's the name of the first newspaper in the Bahamas?
The Gazette.
Called?
The Gazette.
No.
The Gazette.
The Gazette.
The Bahamas Gazette.
The Gazette. Very good.
The Bahamas Gazette.
Bahamas Gazette, not Gazette. Was printed by the loyalists in 1784. Okay. And we have number 5. Religious life. coming of the Loyalists, the coming of the Loyalists had a great effect on the religious life of the Bahamas. Most Loyalists who came were what? What is their religion like for most of the Loyalists? They were what? You know the religion of the Loyalists for majority of them?
Christian.
Christians, but what type, what denomination I should say then?
Anglican.
Who said that?
Savannah.
Boy, Devana, you're the goat, honestly. Gee.
Yes, Betty. I was trying to type it in the chat, and guess what? You had me muted. So it was really hurtful.
Were the Anglican and okay, sorry, and they introduced this religion to the Bahamas. The Anglican Church became known as the state church. When nothing was done by priests to bring the blacks into the church, into the Anglican church. The Baptists and Methodists took on the task and became the preferred religion among blacks. And you add architectural design and buildings. So they also built buildings as well. So the Loyalists, I don't know if I can see this properly, so let me moving on to the next slide so y'all could see. I'm going to delete this beginning. All right, so architectural design, the Loyalists brought with them a lot of the architectural design or style of the southern United States. Gregorian style. Many new buildings, both private and public, were built because of them. These included forts, such as Fort Fincastle, (1789) and Fort Charlotte, (1787 to 1789). The Vendue House, slave market, new schools, new churches, such as St. Matthew's Church and Christ Church Cathedral, House of Assembly, and other buildings in the square. And the Nassau Public Library, which served as the town's jail and beautiful colonial style houses. By the way, has anyone ever went to the Nassau Public Library? Or you ever seen the Nassau Public Library?
Yeah, so.
Yeah, done.
Okay. What's the shape of it? What's the shape of the Nassau Public Library?
Circular.
Say it again.
Circular.
No. Come on, that's Tavana?
Square.
Yeah, so.
Come on, man, you gotta be the GOAT.
My bad.
What's the shape of the Nassau Public Library? Who said square?
Me.
I figured.
Mr. Vitti, I'm okay.
The Nassau Public Library. And no one have ever been there? Y'all never been there or saw it? It's right on Shirley Street. Nassau Public Library. I can show you all the image. There are multiple images on it.
Square, rectangle.
No, it's not a rectangle. It's not a square. I'm sorry.
Pentagon.
Not a pentagon. Is it right there?
Octagon.
Very good.
I get that.
It's an octagonal shape. Very good. Y'all never saw this before? Wow.
The whole man in the same not to know what this is.
Y'all never saw this before? No?
No.
Wow.
Just where they set up stairs.
Now, this was a jail, by the way. It's Nassau Public Library. This is a jail. But they changed it into a library now. By the way, who built this? Who built the Nassau Public Library?
The Lucayans.
The Lucayans? Gosh.
I feel it.
The Loyalists, that's what I mean.
No, you
Sorry.
said Lucayans. You said Lucayans.
I know I said Lucans, but I meant to say the loyalists.
I hear you.
I
Your reaction was crazy.
Lucy said Lucayans, come on.
I was thinking about the Lucans for a second.
No, it's the loyalists. So class, give me at least 2 contributions of the loyalists. Quick, 2 contributions of the loyalists.
The first newspaper.
First
Population
newspaper.
increase.
Population increase. Very good.
Architectural design and buildings.
Architectural design and buildings. What else?
Infrastructural development.
Infrastructural development. Very good. And what else?
Farming.
And farming. Very good.
Religious life.
Okay. So you tell me, how did the population change? Did it increase or decrease because of the loyalists?
It increased.
Increase. Very good. Next, for farming, did we have more farming or less farming?
More.
Did we have more farming or less farming?
More farming.
More farming.
More farming. Very good. More farming. Did we have new roads built or no new roads built?
Yeah, so we had new roads built.
What was the name of the first newspaper?
The Bahamas Gazette.
The Bahamas Gazette. Very good. Very good. The Bahamas Gazette. When was this built? When was this printed? The Bahamas Gazette.
1784.
1784. Very good. What was the main religion of the loyalists? Anglican. Very good. But the blacks was not welcome like that, so they end up preferring more of the Methodists and the Baptists. Okay. Give me some of the buildings that were built because of the loyalists and their architectural design.
The Pompey Museum.
Pompey Museum. What else?
The
Fort Finn Castle.
Fort Finn Castle. What else?
St. Matthew's Church and
St. Matthew's
Christ
Church.
Cathedral.
Very good. Christ Church Cathedral.
Nassau Public Library.
Nassau, very good. The House of Assembly.
The Venue House.
The Venue House. Very good. All those different
and
names. Very good. All right.
Mr. D.
Yes.
Never mind.
Good.
Good.
Mr. Petit, you saw Antoine's new profile picture on Zoom.
I see
he changed it to flower.
I see it.
All purpose.
All purpose.
I mean, all purpose flour.
Yeah, he told me to use the flour.
Wow, you're so great.
I got it. I got it.
You thought that was funny?
All right. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Where is Riley? Riley, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you
Hi, Riley.
Can you
Hi.
leave her alone, please? Leave her alone.
Okay, Mr.
Go ahead, Riley. Read number 6, architectural design.
Architectural design and buildings.
Mhm.
The Loyalists brought with them a lot of the architectural style of the southern United States, Georgian style. Many new buildings, both private and public, were built because of them. These included forts such as Fort Finn Castle, 1789, and Fort Charlotte, 1787 to 1789. The Venue House, Slave Market, new schools, new churches such as the St. Matthew's Church and Christ Church Cathedral, the House of Assembly and other buildings in the square, and the Nassau Public Library, which served as the town's jail, and beautiful colonial-style houses.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Riley. It's good to ignore a layout.
Mr. Petit. Wait till Sunday. Don't worry, I come in this Sunday. Wait till then.
All right.
Don't kill me, Mr. Petit.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me
Yes,
via
yes,
WhatsApp.
we can do just
Again,
that.
take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I don't know. Why do people love the Lakers winning the championship? They ain't going nowhere.
Hi, Mr. Petit. So what I'm about to say
Lakers
might
in
be
5.
Say Lakers in
what I'm
5.
about to say might be
Say Lakers in 5.
Mr. Petit.
Warriors in
Mr. Petit,
5.
please stop.
Warriors in 5, bro. Warriors in 5.
Thank you,
Warriors
Mr. Petit. You finally talked some sense for us.
Warriors in
OKC,
5.
UFC, KFC, Lakers in 5.
Warriors in 5.
Warriors in 5, bro.
Mr. Petit, look what you caused now, man.
I know, right? You better leave shit.
Warriors is the best team in the West.
That's
Hi,
right.
Mr. Petit,
That's
you
right.
go back to the last
That's
slide.
right. That's
I
right.
wasn't done.
Listen to
That's
me.
right. Yes.
Warriors in 5.
Warriors in 5, man.
What does that even mean?
You better leave Shannon Sharp, UFC, KFC. You better leave it alone.
What? UFC?
Someone said that. I don't know who said that, but they know exactly what that is.
OKC, KFC, UFC.
That's so good. That is so good. Warriors in 5. All right, let's go ahead and do RK.
I thought Stephen Curry dead.
All right, next.
Becoming open.
Why you say it?
All right, let's go on to RK. So we've been doing the Miracle series, but now Thursday. By the way, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Today is Thursday, the 10th of April. Yeah, the 10th of April, 2025. Subject is, of course, social studies. I mean, not social studies, religious studies. Okay, so the last time we were here, we were doing
Leopards. Leopards.
yeah, leprosy. Remember the layer? Okay.
Yeah, I still comes to religion.
That's good. That's good.
So there's a dog now.
Hi, excuse me. What?
That means she got it right. So Riley, you need to reconsider. She's good sometimes.
I don't know where you get this dog from. Like you barking up the wrong tree right now.
Okay, so
I mean, you, Mr. Petit dog.
Topic. Okay, so we did Healing Miracle. We did Healing Miracle, that was the leper. We did Nature Miracle, that was the Red Sea. I said the Red Sea. That was
the Red Sea. The Red Sea. My God.
Not the Red Sea, not the Red
Don't
Sea.
worry, Antoine, it was just a test. It was just a test.
Yes, not the Red Sea.
Yeah, okay.
It was when Jesus on the sea sleeping and he calms the storm. Okay. So we are going to be talking about the woman. Y'all can finish it with me. The woman with, y'all should be able to finish this.
The issue of blood.
Very good. The issue of blood. The issue of blood. Oh, I already have my song already. I have my song in the queue.
No, please.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
I have my
Please.
song in the queue. I have my song in the
Why
queue.
will the studies class without
I
them
have my
songs?
song in the queue. Y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this one.
Come
Y'all
on.
gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this.
If I
But
don't like
everybody's so down, man.
I don't know, man.
Surely it's gonna be a banger.
Thank
It
you.
wasn't a banger last time, so it ain't gonna be a banger this time, okay?
Hasty generalization. Hasty generalization.
Hasty generalization
It's a
or common
fallacy.
sense, Mr. Petit.
I know hasty generalization. I have my proof. 3 times back to back.
Exactly.
All right, the scripture text is taken from Luke chapter 8. Let's go scripture reference. Luke chapter 8, verses 43 to 48. Riley, you think I should play my video? Not video, my song. I think my song will be a banger this time.
Well, I wasn't there the first time, but like
Riley, say no, say no, say no.
for sure.
Thank you,
Based off of
Riley.
everybody's
Thank you, Riley.
opinions, I think that is gonna be really good.
Thank you, Riley. I appreciate
Watch,
that.
I can come to your house.
No,
Thank you, Riley. Riley, have faith in me. Miss Morris, do you have faith in my song? Yes, Miss Morris.
I wasn't here for none of your songs, so I have no idea.
Miss Morris, come on. This is Miss Petite. Come on. You don't know
No,
faith in my
because for
song?
the week when I was sick, I wasn't here.
Yeah, but
I was not.
Yeah, but you should be up on my song, like.
Mr. Petit, you don't have no backup today.
All right, what does hemorrhaging mean? What does hemorrhaging mean? Hemorrhaging. Hemorrhaging.
That's like a disease that you bleed a lot, I think.
Yeah, hemorrhaging means to be continuously what?
Non-stop bleeding.
Very good. Bleeding. Continuously bleeding. Okay, so this woman had a issue of blood. And it was not good. So she went from doctor to doctor, and it wasn't solvable. So as Jesus was on it, so Jesus was actually on his way to do what? Or Jesus on his way. Y'all know what way he's on? He's literally on his way to do something. To
teach the gospel.
Oh, he's on his way to Jairus's. Anyone remember?
Birthday party.
No, Jairus's.
his daughter was sick.
Thank you.
Oh
my goodness.
To heal his daughter. To
heal his daughter.
resurrect his daughter.
To heal his daughter. He actually went to heal his daughter, but by the time he got there, she was already dead. She was already what?
Died.
She was already dead. So as Jesus was on his way to Jairus' house to heal his daughter, what happened?
She only could touch the hem of his garment, she'll be healed.
Amen. So he met a woman that had been continuously bleeding. Or is this a woman? A woman who had an issue of blood. Because of her medical condition, she was a what? She was an outcast. Okay? Just like how the leper was an outcast. What does an outcast mean?
Somebody who was rejected from society.
Very good, rejected from the society. The woman had heard, right? Had heard that Jesus would be passing by and wanted to see him. The crowd was so large around him that she could not press. She could not press her way through. As Jesus passed, the woman believed. The woman, keyword, believed. Why is it important for her to believe?
She have faith that she would be healed.
For the miracle to work.
Very good. In order for the miracle to happen, she must have what?
Faith.
She must have faith. Very good. Faith. In order for the miracle to happen, she must have faith. So as Jesus passed by, the woman believed, right? She believed that if she could only touch the hem of Jesus's garment or clothing. What is the hem? What is the hem? What does that mean?
The bottom part.
The bottom part. Very. Crimson, you still there?
Yes, sir.
You're very quiet.
Yeah.
She would. Let me give you a chance to redeem yourself. What do you think about my song? You think my song would be nice?
Sure. It's going to be interesting.
Is it going to be nice?
Sure.
Thank you, Crimson. That means a lot. That means
Crimson,
a
don't
lot.
have no faith in this man. Don't have no faith in this man.
As Jesus passed by,
Play
as
the worst song known to mankind and said,
as Jesus passed by, thank you. I'm teaching now. As Jesus passed by, the woman, what did she do? Press through the crowd. That had to be a lot of effort, because you imagine how much people was around Jesus. So in order for her to press through the crowd, my, that's a lot. As Jesus passed by, the woman press her way through the crowd, and touched Jesus' garment. Immediately, what happened? Immediately, she
was healed by the Holy Spirit.
She was healed.
Yes, I actually watched this
Wow.
story before on a movie.
Wow. This
Christian child.
This was amazing because what? Because she had been dealing with this problem for how many years? For, you know how long she
12
been
years.
12.
12 years, very good. And do you know that's the exact age of the child? Jairus' daughter. That's the exact age. 12 years. Excuse me. So as Jesus passed by, the woman pressed her way through the crowd and touched Jesus' garment.
And he felt his power left his body.
Yes, very good. Jesus felt virtue and power left. Oh, let me just put it like this. Jesus knew instantly. Where's
The woman defeat away.
Where's Ren? Where's Ren? Ren, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Chai, are you there? Where's Chai? Chai, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Chai, let me ask the question. Do you think my song is gonna be an amazing song?
Sure, sir.
Say it again.
Sure. I think it's gonna be good.
All right, that's good. Thank you.
Now look at all these people, you could be disappointed.
Liliana, where's Liliana? Are you there, Liliana?
Yes, sir.
You see how Mr. Petit calling on people who don't talk?
Liliana. If you don't leave Liliana alone, please. How are you doing today?
Fine.
That's excellent. What do you think about my
Get
song?
out of it while you can.
Liliana, what do you think about my song? You think my song is going to be an amazing song?
Liliana. Think about the words coming out your mouth. Silence is really
Leave her
loud.
alone, please. Leave her alone. Leave
If
her
we
alone.
look out,
Say it again, Liliana. I can't hear you. I didn't hear you. Where's Liliana?
if we look outside,
Uh-huh.
right, you will find the answer to your question.
Wow, Liliana. Wow. Wow.
Sometimes.
Wow. Wow, Liliana. Oh my goodness. Shavarian.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something. What do you think my song? You think my song is gonna be great?
Should I answer honestly? Lie to you.
Don't lie, I want the truth. Be honest.
Well, it is a song of God, so like probably it will be good.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
What that is, that's a fallacy. That's a good.
Jesus knew instantly. Anyone who says anything bad about my song will be immediately muted and time out. Jesus knew instantly that someone had touched him because he felt virtue or power leave his body. Okay? It wasn't an ordinary touch, right? It was not an ordinary touch. It was a touch of what? Of faith. Of faith. A touch of faith. Jesus asks. What does Jesus ask? Jesus asks what? Who
touched me?
Who touched me? Disciples are so confused because, like, what? You're surrounded by a whole. Jesus is a celebrity, y'all. Like, the disciples were very confused. The disciples found it very strange. Found this question to be very strange. Where's Daniel Johnson? Daniel Johnson, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Daniel, have you sent in your notes as yet? For the social studies.
Am I about to?
Okay, you have to send in your notes, Daniel. You can't just be and not send in your notes. All right? You understand me? Daniel? Okay, good. The disciples found this question to be very strange because there were many people surrounding Jesus and touching him. Upon hearing Jesus' question, she was also scared too because, you know, she was an outcast. And so, you know, she didn't really want to, she wanted to hurry up, do this and quickly go. You know what I mean?
What if they didn't bring so?
Upon hearing Jesus' question, the woman, she identified herself. The woman humbly identified herself. She explained to Jesus how she had endured this sickness for 12 years until she had touched Jesus. Jesus told the woman, that what? Her faith had made her whole or well. And so this is just another example of where faith, having faith, is going to be the thing that's going to be the factor in a miracle taking place. Now, question time. Question time. Question number 1. How long was the woman sick for? How long was the woman sick for?
12 years.
12 years.
12. I'm only hearing the same people over and over again. I'm not hearing from
Yes,
Chantasia, Yvonne, Riley. I'm not hearing from Ronald. Let me ask the question again. How long was the woman sick for?
12 years.
12 years.
12 years. Describe how the woman demonstrated strong faith in the story. Describe how the woman demonstrated strong faith in the story.
She pushed herself through the crowd.
She pushed herself through the crowd. This is worth 3 points, so you gotta give me some more. What else?
Said she could only the hem of his garment, she would be healed.
She said if she only could touch the hem of his garment, she'd be healed. What else? She not only said that, but she actually did it. Like she actually pressed the way through and barely touched him, right?
She
Next
believed
question.
that if she... Oh, never mind then.
Okay, good. Explain why the disciples was confused when Jesus asked who touched him.
Because
there was a big crowd
with all them people around him.
Very good. Jemiah, you saying something? Jemiah? It's Jemiah. Jemiah?
Yes, sir.
You answering the question? Go ahead.
I said because he was in a crowd, there were many people surrounding him.
Very good. Let me ask the question, Jemiah. Jemiah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about my song that I'm about to play? You think it's gonna be a...
Don't reply. Jemiah, don't reply.
Jemiah, don't listen to them. Jemiah, what do you think about my song that I'm going to play? Is it gonna be great and awesome?
Say no.
Don't lie. Do not lie.
I'm talking to Jemiah. Go ahead, Jemiah.
Absolutely magnificent.
I guess.
You guess? Oh, you guess?
She guesses, Mr. But you have
Wow.
Actually determine if your
Question
song
number
is
4. Question number 4. How did Jesus know that someone had touched him?
Because he felt
a strong faith.
No, how did Jesus know that someone had touched him?
He felt the power leave his body.
Very good. He felt virtue or power leave his body. Very good. Question number 5. What was the woman in the story? Why was the woman in the story made well or made whole?
She had a strong
faith.
You all sound all over the place. Let me ask the question again. It's a simple question. Why was the woman in the story made whole or made well?
Because she had strong faith.
Because she had strong faith. Very good. All right. Are we done with this notes? If you're done with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, if you're finished with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Sanaya Bo, where's Sanaya Bo? Where's Sanaya Bo?
Yes, sir.
Are you sending your notes to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just have to finish writing this down.
Sanaya, what do you think about my song? Do you think my song is gonna be great? Sanaya.
We'll just
have to see, I guess.
Mr. Petit, at this
wow.
point, you might as well just play the song.
I feel this is insane.
Why? 'Cause you
This is
disappoint all
insane. This is insane. This is insane. All right, I'm gonna play my song. I'm gonna keep the notes up.
I think it would sound great.
Thank you, Empress. Woo! Empress. That's what I'm talking about.
Empress, come on.
You
Empress,
know,
come on.
Wes.
You keep asking, you want me intrigued.
Wow.
Y'all gotta listen. Confidence is key.
Wow. Okay.
No worry, Miss Petit. I actually believe your song would sound amazing.
Thank
okay?
you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think it would sound magnificent.
Thank you.
Why
Thank you.
everybody
I think
changed
they just
their
sounded
answer?
Mr. Petit, ask Sasha Nick.
What
Say it again?
happened? Why everybody changed their answer?
I know, right?
Yeah, Mr. Petit.
Say it again.
Ask Sasha Nick.
I haven't heard Sasha in so long.
That is true. That is true. I have the message, Sasha. I'll let her know that y'all asking for. Okay. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I can't hear it.
I'm not playing the song.
Oh my.
I'm not playing the song. I'm not playing the song.
Why don't you just play the song?
Not yet. Not yet. Oh, y'all want to play it now? Oh, y'all want to play it now? Okay.
Yes, so you can get it over with.
I take back what I say.
Wow. Okay.
See, I tell you, Mr. Petit can disappoint you. Don't believe in Mr. Petit.
Oh boy. Oh my. Y'all ain't good. Y'all ain't know good people.
Donald Trump has had another unexpected.
Okay. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Mr. Petit, where's the music?
What happened?
You wanna hear it?
Like I said, you have me intrigued all that time, boxing everybody.
I have my hopes up, man.
Wow. This is insane.
Let me see if I can feel sorry I missed out. Playing.
You can feel very sorry. You can feel so sorry. You can feel so sorry. What? You can feel so sorry, man. Don't mind them. They don't know good music. All right.
Okay.
Been ostracized for 12 years. I'm used to being alone. Spend everything I
That's right. That's right.
It's gone.
The song ain't actually that bad.
My issues tell it all.
If I could just touch.
My own
So what? I mean, Mr. Petit,
If I
find
could
out
just
what to do.
touch.
in this fall. If I could just touch.
Let's go.
The hem of his garment. I know I'd be made whole if I could just press my way through this madness. His love would heal my.
Okay, that's enough. I put the link inside the chat if y'all want to hear more good music.
Mr. Petit, no, he just find a song because the song
I knew it. I knew it.
Exactly. He found that song because he knew his own song.
No. That's the song I thought about.
Don't be shy, Mr. Petit.
That's the
Don't be
song I
shy.
thought
Play the
about.
first one.
Okay, let me hear the other two because I know that one.
You know that one?
Yeah, let her hear the two. Let her hear the two.
Yeah, let her hear the first pick, Mr. Petit.
All right. You all have a great night. This is a great week we had together.
Yay!
Take a picture of
Oh
your
my God.
take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp.
We're
So
free from
excited.
distractions.
Yeah,
So
take a picture.
excited.
Antoine.
I know, right?
Okay.
So excited.
I can't wait for the face reveal.
I can't wait till to see Miss Petite on Sunday.
Oh wow. Have a great evening, everyone. I'll see you all on Sunday for those who come to face and Monday again. God spare life. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Next week, by God's grace.
Yes, sir. Take care.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Yeah, Mr. Badee.
Good night. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
So excited.
Antoine, go to sleep.
Antoine, you're losing your mind.
All right.
I freaking out in this room right now.